let's get set up to run some scans with MetaSploit. I will be using 3 VMs connected by an internal switch. I will be using Kali Linux to scan and the Metasploitable 2 and Windows XP VMs as the targets. Start all 3 machines and ensure that they are on the same network. Mine are all on an internal network 192.168.3.0/24. After checking my settings, I will run a quick ping test to ensure that all 3 VMs are connected. I'm going to switch to the Kali machine and start MetaSploit. I will run several information gathering scans, starting with a TCP port scan. The process is always the same in MetaSploit. Use a scan, set the options, run the scan. We're going to use the auxiliary scanner port scan TCP. After I type in the command, I'll show the options available to me. I'm going to set the R hosts, which is the target computer, and I'm going to set the ports that I want to scan. I'm going to show the options a second time, and then I'm going to run the scan. I'm going to run this scan a second time against both machines. So I'm going to set the R hosts to 192.168.3.4 hyphen 192.168.3.7, and then I'm going to run the scan. The second scan I'm going to run is a UDP scanner. We will use the same process as the first scan. We're going to use auxiliary scanner discovery UDP sweep. I'm going to show the options. Set R hosts to 192.168.3.4 hyphen 192.168.3.7 and run. I'm going to run this command a second time with Wireshark running on the Kali computer as well. This will let us see the scan information that is being transmitted on the network. If I go back some frames, I can see the NBNS protocol and can clearly read the data that was transferred. I'm going to set up to run the TCP scan a second time and capture the transmission with Wireshark as well. I can review all of the captured data from the scan in Wireshark. There are more than 100 scanners available in MetaSploit. To review the list, you enter search name : scanner. It will give you a list. Using any of these scanners follows the same process. Use the scanner, set the options, run the scan. The final scan we will use will take advantage of a username and password file to attempt to open the telnet port. We're going to use auxiliary scanner telnet _login. I'm going to show the options, and I can see that I have an option to use a username and password file. So I'm going to set my R hosts. The file I'm going to use is located on my desktop. And then I'm going to set my user password file that I just showed you. I'm then going to run it. The scan was not successful at opening any of the telnet ports. I'm going to go back to my password file, and I'm going to add the correct username and password to get into the MetaSploit telnet port. I'm going to click Run. And I can see that the scan was successful, indicating that the username and password were able to open that port. Congratulations! You completed your first scan in MetaSploit.